In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate weighted score in Google Sheets. A weighted score is perfect when some items count more than others, like exams versus quizzes or different project components. To get started, organize your data so it's clear and consistent. Put each score in one column and its matching weight in another. For example, you might place your scores in column A and the weights right next to them in column B. Make sure each score and its weight are on the same row so they line up correctly. Weights can be entered as percentages, like 20%, or as fractions decimals, like 0.2. The important thing is that each weight matches the score on its row, and that your weights represent the portions you intend. As a good check, your weights typically add up to 100% or 1, depending on how you enter them. If your values are meant to be percentages, write them as 20% rather than 20, which would be 20 times larger than intended. Next, click the cell where you want the total weighted score to appear. This can be anywhere you prefer in the sheet, such as a summary cell below or to the side of your data. Keeping it close to your list makes it easier to audit and adjust. Now type the formula that does the work for you. X, sum product, scores, range, weights, range. What this function does is multiply each score by its corresponding weight, then add all those products together in a single step. If your scores are in A1 through A5 and your weights are in B1 through B5, you would type out sum product A1, A5, B1, B5. The two ranges must be the same size and shape, and they should not include headers. The order of the ranges doesn't matter as long as they match 1 to 1. Press enter and your weighted score will appear instantly. If the result doesn't look right, double check that you didn't include any text labels in the ranges, that every score has a matching weight, and that percentages are entered correctly. If you see zeros or an error, confirm that both ranges have the same number of rows and that all entries are numeric. It's also normal to see decimals in the result when weights are fractions or percentages, since the calculation blends different portions. That's it. By listing your scores and weights side by side, selecting a cell for the result, using equals sum product, scores, range, weights, range, and pressing enter, you'll have a clean, accurate weighted score you can trust.